We all need financial empowerment, and I have an online money making work just for you. With YouTube videos, you can make $7 for every video. You will get paid $7. Before I tell you about this little secret that I have, I want to welcome you to my channel. In this channel, I show you different ways of making money online. So why don't you go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon so you can be notified for videos like this in the future. Now, let me tell you something with my method. And this link in the description below, I will show you on this video on how you can make $7 for every video. One day, I saw my PayPal account credited with $150 in no time. Not even kidding. Sometimes we are in dire need of cash, and with this method, you gain financial empowerment. Because this here is making you $7 for each and every YouTube video. But for this, you will need to follow simple steps that I will mention on this video. All you have to do, just make sure to watch this video till the end, listen to what I did and what I have to show you, so you can make the money that I made. I would even call it easy money. My secret? Online money making work just for you. So first of all, let me tell you something clearly. This is for everyone, meaning it is available around the globe. One simple thing that you need to realize, that YouTube is available around the world, so this method is available around the world. Now, all you have to do is go to YouTube, watch various videos for at least 30 seconds, and of course, earn money. It starts with $3 for one video, 30 for 10, that's $30 for 10 videos, 150 for 50, $150 for 50 videos. You will get paid for the amount of time that you spend to watching videos online. So I would say that if you keep watching, you'll keep earning. You don't need anything special, just a smartphone, a tablet, or a computer. Could be a desktop computer, could be your laptop, just anything. And hey, I know everybody has a YouTube account, but if you don't have one, go to YouTube, create an account. Here's how you will do it. You will go to youtube.com and then you will create a Google account. Somewhere around the way on YouTube, you'll see a sign up button. Just click on that. It'll take you to a Google page where you'll need to create a Google account. If you don't have one already, if you have one, just sign in with your Google. Otherwise, create a Google account for your YouTube. Add in your name, type in your email address that you want. Whatever your preference is. I just go with my name and my date of birth. That works fine for me. But make sure that you have a good password. I always emphasize for a good password, because passwords, if you have a very poor password that is easy, someone can just come in and put that password in, you might end up losing money. So good password. Once you're done with that, click next. So once you've done creating an account, you just have to go to YouTube. You will see popular videos on your main screen. Now, I would go and search videos for gaming, because people usually look for trends. So at this time, when this video was created, Among Us was famous. You can even search for something. I think there's a new video game coming out. It's called the Resident Evil. There are tons and tons of videos games that come out every day. So just find the ones that are popular, that are trending. So we can use these popular trending videos to our advantage. Why? Because we want to make money. That's it. We will generally look for live video streaming videos, because I know for sure there are tons and tons of videos, people that live stream these games on their channel. So go ahead, search for them, choose one of these videos. You will just go and search for these trends, and under the popular section you will see there are tons and tons of views, so many people watching them. The more views they have, the more it will be successful. Now once you've found a video that suits you, make sure it's a popular one, just head over to the link that I have given below on the description, as always. Now always don't forget to remember this: whatever link I give you, whatever it is, it's not a scam. I'm not trying to take your money. I made money like this, so I want you to make money as well, because I've used this method and I can vouch for the website. And they have different payment methods such as PayPal, Bitcoin, Payoneer. I chose PayPal, because it's good for me. It's friendly. Now you need to earn a minimum of $5 before they pay out. So minimum payout is what? $5. Now on this platform you also need to register for it. So you have to have an account on this link that I've given below. So go ahead and register yourself, because on this platform what they will do is they will use the YouTube links, shorten those links, and then you will make money. We'll paste those links onto Quora, Reddit, or gaming forums. We need clicks. I even use my Facebook, and I go to different groups, I paste it there so that people can view it. I've pasted videos on car forums about beautiful new cars coming in. I've pasted on forums, gaming forums, where people want to see the new games, new trends, and just whatever you find. The registration is completely free, and of course the shortening tool as well. So on your dashboard, just grab the link, paste it, and give it an alias. You can even add an expiration date so it doesn't turn out to be a big problem for you. Click the shorten link and copy the shorten link, because you want to use this shortened link to make money. I know what you're thinking right now. How on earth do we earn by just shortening links? Well, the way to go about it is that when you paste the shortened link, and the people who click will first be taken to an advertisement. Need not to worry, they don't need to view the ad, nor do they need to buy anything. They can literally skip the ad and simply go over to YouTube. That click basically generates money for you. So I would even call this like they're winning by showing advertisement, we're winning because we're making money. So it's a win for both. So in summary, I'll do this again for you so you would know what I'm trying to say. Is all you have to do is go onto the link that I've mentioned on the description below, head over to this platform, sign up to this platform using your email address, and don't forget to add in your correct details. Go to YouTube, grab a video link that we've discussed in this video, and shorten that link using this platform. Use that link onto a forum such as Quora, Reddit, or go even to Facebook. Find groups, generate the link, and paste it there. When you do that, you'll make money. And this is available anywhere, globally. And meaning anyone can do this. And you can even download its app on iOS and, of course, Android if you want to work using your smartphones. So anyways, I hope you liked the video. Just make sure to give us a like and a comment as well. If you have any suggestions or any questions, don't worry. We do listen to you. We do like your comments, and we will go and answer you as much as we can. So I want you to go and subscribe to our channel as well and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on videos. Anyways, this is it from my video, and I will see you next time.